Take my hand and hold it tight. Look at the paintings, I'll be your guide. Don't stop looking in my eyes.
Hey guys, it's Allie. In today's video, I'll be partnering with Smile Direct Club to share my cozy and peaceful night routine. Every night is slightly different, but I always look forward to coming home to Bella. The first thing I usually do is change into comfortable clothes.
Don't stop looking at me now.
Then I make myself a cup of tea or just hot water because I'm Asian.
As much as I do, but I'm just content.
When work gets busy, I try to catch up the night before to relieve stress in the morning. So I just sit in my pink couch, sip my tea, and journal.
I know you don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought. Monet might be too much, and Van Gogh might take a while. Thank you for coming, I know that you're trying to do anything to make me smile.
On this night, I had to catch up on some video editing work, actually the video that you're watching right now. I know, meta, right? Growing up, I had to get braces because my teeth were so crooked. I have my invisible aligners right here from Smile Direct Club. So I'm just going to show you how easy it is to place into my teeth. And there you have it.
I know you wanna go, but please stay here with me. I could.
For dinner, I decided to head over to my boyfriend's apartment to make something together. I really love to cook and I find it extremely relaxing. So first I'm going to add some avocado oil. Next I'm going to add some of this mushroom umami. Then a little bit of this 21 seasoning salute. Last but not least, some garlic powder. And then pop the butternut squash into the oven at 450 degrees for about 30 to 40 minutes. Then I sauteed some squash, onions, and seasoned chicken. You can find the full recipe in the description box below. Look who made it home! Just in time for dinner. You look like that. Oh. And we caught up on our favorite TV show, and then I decided to head back home because I had a really early meeting in the morning in San Francisco. Head over to the bathroom and I take off my makeup, which signifies the end of the night. So I wanted to share a little story time with you as I removed my makeup. Growing up, I had very crooked teeth and an underbite. I was extremely shy and was afraid to even smile in photos. So I ended up getting braces really early on, but my teeth started to shift back. And as you know, if you don't wear your retainer, your teeth will move. And I just remember how straight my teeth looked and how confident it made me feel.
I would always be the one who cares, and I will try my very best to always be there.
I'm excited to try Smile Direct Club's new nighttime clear liners that will straighten my teeth in under a year. I've been wanting to straighten my teeth for a while now, and with my busy lifestyle, I found the process of Smile Direct Club very convenient and easy. At the beginning, I went in for one consultation to get a 3D image of my teeth, and I was pretty much set for the next year. All communications with licensed dentists and orthodontists is done remotely online. I love the fact that the nighttime clear aligners are a fraction of the cost of braces, and I won't have to worry about the gear getting in the way. I plan to wear these at night for 10 hours for the next 10 months. The idea of straightening my teeth while sleeping sounds like a dream come true, so if you've been considering straightening your teeth and want an affordable option, you can use my discount code linked down below in the description box. If you see me smiling bigger than usual, now you know why. If you work at a desk job, it's so important to stretch at the end of the day. After 4 or even 5 hours of just sitting at a desk, kind of hunched over, my back starts to hurt, my shoulders are aching, looking down, and honestly I get a headache from it all. I started to incorporate stretching into my night routine, so I will usually stretch out my back along with my wrists as well because I do have carpal tunnel. So a few exercises that I really enjoy is just like rolling my wrists around, shaking them out. Just adding in movement is so important to relieve that tension in your back and in your hands.
To run free, but I'll still make my plans. I'll change my routine if you'll hold my hand. 'Cause I'm a shade of blue.
After I shower, I head back to my bedroom where I light a candle and I grab my journal, and this is where I like to take time to decompress, think about all that I've accomplished that day, show my gratitude, and just write down everything that I'm feeling and thinking. And then I just get ready for bed, give Bella some cuddles, and that is pretty much my night routine. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye!